Hey everyone, John here from Diode. If you're watching this video, you probably already know that navigating the trails after dark isn't about having just any light, it's about having the right light. Whether you're spotting a hidden obstacle or just setting up camp after dusk, we found that while generic rock lights might light up directly underneath themselves, you're often left guessing when it comes to the terrain around you. You've likely dealt with their dim spots, uneven light distribution, and fragility, and that's just not going to cut it when the trail gets tough. That's why we didn't settle when we set out to design our Stage Series rock lights. For us, it's more than just slapping on a cover and calling it good. Every component, especially the lens, is crafted with a purpose. And our breakthrough, just like all of our Stage Series products, it was the precision in the optics. Unlike typical rock lights that use a simple cover, our Stage Series rock lights feature optically engineered lenses. These lenses don't just protect the light. They're designed to spread it evenly, covering a much larger area than any other option on the market. This technology provides a broad, consistent beam that illuminates the entire area around you and fills in the gaps that other lights leave behind. Don't take my word for it. Let's talk to our lead optical engineer and see what he has to say.
Hi, my name is Grayson Bond. I am the optical engineer here at Diode, and I design all the lens surfaces you see in our products. An optically designed lens is adjusting the surface that the light hits to control where it goes. That way we get to maximize our control over the beam pattern and the efficiency of the system overall. If we simply leave that flat, we're giving up control, we're giving up an opportunity to improve the product, and we're just leaving performance on the table. So the benefit of using a molded optic is that it allows us to get the surface control that we couldn't get with a flat or domed lens. That's just losing performance, and in this case, the proof is in the potting. Our light output, when tested on the ground at a typical mounting height, gives a radius of illumination nearly 1 foot larger than the nearest competitor, while at the same time having a greater peak illuminance despite our even spread from the center to the edge. We took the core needs of a rock light system, style, durability, ease of mounting, and illumination, and applied our signature touch of high efficiency optics and durable designs to create the brightest, strongest pattern on the playing field.
As you can see, just the optics can make a dramatic change in how the light performs. If you're interested in seeing how our Stage Series rock lights stands up against the competition, check out the comparison video we've linked below. On top of the optical design, our lenses are also interchangeable. You can choose between clear or diffuse depending on the output you're going for. And these come in white, amber, red, blue, or green to suit your application. If you went with our RGB W option, you can change the color from the comfort of your seat, all from our Bluetooth app. Between the optics, performance, mounting solutions, versatility, durability, and fully encapsulated design that we proudly assemble right here in the US, our Stage Series rock lights are truly the #1 option. That's the Diode difference. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in making your next rock light purchase. Stay tuned to our YouTube channel for our next rock light focused video, and if you'd like to pick up a set yourself, head over to diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest and greatest products coming to the market, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Thanks for watching.